The death of a DRDO officer in Rajasthan's Alwar has created a bit of a mystery, especially as it comes about a month after the death of another DRDO scientist in Lucknow. Now, there is some uncanny similarities between both the deaths. Both the officers, the DRDO scientist from Lucknow and the DRDO joint director from Alwar, died suddenly without any symptoms. Now, what exactly happened in the case of Aditya Verma, or Aditya Jatav, as is his family name? Aditya Verma had got married on the 27th of November to the daughter of a police constable in Alwar's Shivaji Nagar area. After that, when he brought the bride home on 26th, all went well. But on the 27th morning, when he went to the bathroom at about 5:30 in the morning, he didn't come out for a long time. And that raised an alarm. His mother says she shouted out for him, but he did not answer. Then she called his father Nand Kishore. They had to break the door open, and then they found him unconscious in the bathroom. He was rushed to the hospital in Alwar, the Rajiv Gandhi Government Hospital in Alwar, where the doctors declared him dead. Now you can imagine the scenes at the hospital. His wife completely broke down. She just got married 2 days before. She fainted at the hospital, and there were scenes of grief as tragedy had struck the family. Aditya Verma was just about 30 years old. Now, the police officials who are investigating the case have said the parents have not suspected foul play, but they have definitely said that the death should be investigated. A post-mortem was conducted, and after that, a viscera sample has been sent for FSL, and the police say they'll only be able to conclusively establish how he died once the viscera report comes in. Now, Aditya Verma was a DRDO officer working in the food department, the food research laboratory of the Defense and Research Organization in Mysore. Is another case from Lucknow where they say that the young officer, he was a scientist actually, he had also died in an uncanny fashion. He had come home for leave, and after that he was just found dead in his house. On the 21st of October, he suddenly fell ill and died. He had just been married for 6 months. He was working with the DRDO on a missile mission. But his father, Akashdeep's father, Kuldeep Gupta, told NDTV that he did not suspect any foul play in the case of Akashdeep Gupta's death. And in fact, he conducted the post-mortem because he knew that Akashdeep was in a sensitive job, and he felt that a post-mortem would be necessary to lay to rest what seems like a mysterious death.
आदित्य के पिताजी व वारिसों ने ये बताया कि मेरे लड़के की शादी 25/11/2027 को अपने श्याम सिंह पुलिस चालक की बेटी से निव्या से हुई थी, जिसके बाद सुबह कल 26/11 को घर पहुँचे। रात्रि सोने के बाद सुबह करीब 5:30 बजे शौचालय करने हेतु लेटरिन रूम में गया। कुछ समय होने के बाद उसकी माँ जो वीरमती है वो पहुंची। उसने आवाज़ दी, वो नहीं बोला, कुंडी अंदर की लगा रखी थी। उसने अपने पति नंद किशोर को आवाज़ दी कि अभी आदित्य नहीं बोल रहा है, तो रोले चिल्लाने लगे। उन्होंने दरवाज़ा तोड़कर उसको बाहर निकाला। फिर रिश्तेदार और परिवारजन लेके उसका अस्पताल पहुंच गए। वहाँ पर डॉक्टरों ने उनको चेकअप किया तो मृत्यु होना पाया गया।